as you enter this information, you'll notice that there is a border underneath these headings. And the way you include these, this is not underlined as shown here, but what it is utilizing the border tool. So I'll remove the border. So when you type it in, it looks like this. And to put a bottom border, make the cell active, select the border tool, looks like 4 squares, and then there's different border options. And so the one you want to use is the one for a bottom border. And that's how you insert a border into these category headings here. Now, after you've completed those, go ahead and put in the average distance. This is the mean average distance to the moon, 238,555 miles. But when you do that, don't type any commas or any decimal places. And we will handle that through the number formats here. And what you'll do is type in 23855. I'll just demonstrate it here. Just type in 238,855 and then activate that cell. And then what you'll do is just click the number formats and choose number. It'll insert the comma along with 2 decimal places. And to remove the decimal places, come over here and decrease decimal places and click that 2 times. And that's how you get the number to look like that. I'll delete that. We don't need that one there. And then move on and you'll have the 8 here, the 50 here, and the 600 here. And the first thing we want to calculate for this video is days to arrival. Anytime we do a calculation within Google Sheets or Google Excel, we start with an equal sign. Equal sign is located next to the backspace key. Point to the distance to the moon and click that cell, which is B1. And then we want to divide that using the /, which is located at the top of your numeric keypad, divided by 8. So click the 8 within cell B3 and press enter. And don't change the formatting of this number. So this is how many days it would take you to walk to the moon if you walked 8 miles a day. 29,856.875 days. And do the same thing for riding a bike. Distance to the moon divided by miles biked per day. And then the same thing here for the car. 238,855 miles to the moon. Click in B1 divided by the number of miles we could drive in a day. And that will conclude this video 4 for Trip to the Moon.